You know, when we hear about AI, a lot of us immediately think about jobs being lost. But what if the real story is about all the new jobs being created? Today, we're going to look at the most exciting new jobs of the AI era and how you can be a part of it all.
So let's just start with this really big number. A lot of people worry about AI, right? But the data actually tells a much more positive story. By 2030, AI is expected to create 78 million, that's right, 78 million new jobs. That's a huge number. So you're probably asking, where are all these new jobs going to come from?
Well, that brings us to what we call the Great Reshuffle. Now, it's true that some older jobs will disappear, but just look at the other side of this. For every job that goes away, almost 2 new jobs will be created. We're seeing this massive change in the job market, with all these new roles and opportunities just popping up super fast. So what exactly are these jobs?
Okay, so here's our plan. We're going to break down this big change. First, we'll explore 3 new worlds of work that are opening up thanks to AI. Then, we'll get into the skills you'll need to really do well in this new world. Ready? Let's get started.
First up, let's talk about the architects. I want you to think of these people as the builders of our AI future. They're the ones designing the systems, they're writing the code, and they're creating the very foundation for all this new technology. So, who are these architects, really?
Well, the architects are a pretty diverse group. You've got engineers who build the massive data centers that power AI. You have specialists creating smart AI systems that can kind of think for themselves. And you have security experts, the red teamers, who work to keep all of our AI systems safe. These are the people literally building the future, piece by piece.
Let's take a closer look at just one of these roles, the AI infrastructure engineer. These are the folks building the digital highways that AI runs on. They design these huge, powerful computer systems needed to train and run AI. And as you can see, their skills are really in demand. And the pay is, well, it's very good. This is a job where you get to build the very systems that will shape our world.
Okay, so we've met the architects who build the AI tools. Now let's talk about the people who use those tools to make the world a better place. We call them the solvers. They take the power of AI and use it to tackle some of humanity's biggest, toughest challenges. The solvers, they work in so many different fields, from making us healthier to creating clean energy. For instance, they're using AI to invent better medicines, to make our energy systems way more efficient, and to build smarter cities for us all to live in. These are the people turning the idea of AI into real, actual help for the world. So let's check out one of these roles up close, the Precision Smart Healthcare Specialist. Just imagine a world where your medical care is designed perfectly just for you. Well, that's the world these specialists are busy building. They use AI to look at patient information and find the absolute best treatment for each person. And look at this. This field isn't just growing, it is absolutely exploding.
All right, so we have the architects who build the tools and the solvers who use them. But there's one more really important group, the bridges. These are the people who connect the amazing world of AI with the world of real people. They make sure AI is easy to use, simple to understand, and helpful for every single one of us.
And the bridges are a really interesting group. You've got designers creating friendly ways for us to talk to and use AI. You've got ethicists making sure AI is used responsibly. And you have coaches who help people learn all the new skills they need for their jobs. These are the people putting the human into how we work with AI.
Let's just zoom in on the AI ethicist for a second. This might actually be one of the most important new jobs of all. As AI gets more and more powerful, we absolutely need people to make sure it's used for good. AI ethicists are kind of like the guardians of our digital world. They work to protect our privacy and to make sure AI systems are fair and safe for everyone. It's a huge responsibility, and yeah, it also pays very well. Okay, so we've explored these 3 new worlds of work, the architects, the solvers, and the bridges. But what does it actually take to land one of these jobs? What skills do you really need to do well in this new world? Let's dive in and find out.
So what's the secret to success in the age of AI? Well, it's not just about technology, and it's not just about people skills. The secret is you need both. You need the technical skills to work with the machines, for sure. But you also need human skills, like creative thinking and teamwork, to solve problems with other people. It's the combination that's key.
Now, you might be sitting there thinking, okay, but do I need a special computer science degree for these jobs? And the answer is pretty clear. No, not always. Just look at this. Over 60% of AI jobs don't require a specific college major. Actually, your own unique background and your ideas can be your biggest strength. There is a place for you in the world of AI.
So if there's one big idea to take away from all of this, what is it? It's pretty simple. The future of work is not people against machines.
It's people with machines. This is exactly what the architects, the solvers, and the bridges all do. They connect powerful technology with real human needs, and they are the ones who are building our future.
The age of AI isn't something to fear. It's a huge opportunity. It's a chance to build a better future. A future where technology and people work together to solve our biggest problems. So the only question left is, what part will you play? Will you be an architect, a solver, or a bridge? The choice is yours.